Welcome to Inner Axis. In today's session, in addition to focusing on the breath, we will introduce a new practice, a technique that scans the entire body and brings awareness to any sensations present. This is commonly known as body scan. During the body scan, we gently look for any areas of tension or discomfort. At first, you may notice a tendency to resist these uncomfortable sensations and wish them to disappear. Instead, try allowing the body to simply accept the sensation. Then, continue scanning the next area. If the discomfort feels too strong, you can pause for a moment, rest, and then continue when you're ready. Now, find a comfortable position and settle in. Rest your hands naturally on your thighs. Gently gaze forward with your eyes open. Take a moment to adjust your posture. Let's begin with a few deep breaths. Take a quick scan of how your body feels right now. Is it relaxed, or does it feel tired? At the end of your next exhale, slowly close your eyes. Allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm, breathing gently in and out through the nose. Now, feel the contact between your body and the chair, your feet and the ground. Take a moment to become aware of the sounds around you. Next, bring your attention to the sensation of your breath. Notice where you feel it most strongly. It may be at the tip of the nose, in the abdomen, or in the chest. If you find your mind wandering, gently bring it back to the breath. Once you have settled into the rhythm and feeling of the breath in your body, we will begin the body scan from head to toe. Start by bringing your attention to your head. Notice any sensations in your eyes, nose, mouth, and the whole face. Next, scan your neck and shoulders. See if there is any tightness or soreness here. Then move to your back, chest, abdomen, and arms. Notice any areas that feel uncomfortable. Observe any resistance in your mind toward these sensations. Now, bring your attention to your hips, thighs, calves, and finally to your feet. Next, let's return our attention to the breath. We will begin counting the breaths from 1 to 10. As you inhale, silently count 1. As you exhale, count 2. If you notice your mind has wandered, simply become aware of it and gently bring your attention back to the breath. Then begin counting again. Now, give your mind some time to rest. Allow your thoughts to come and go freely. Then, slowly bring your attention back to your surroundings. Feel the contact between your body and the chair, your hands on your thighs, and your feet on the ground. Take a moment to listen to the sounds around you. Gently move your fingers and toes. When you feel ready, slowly open your eyes. Before you finish, take a moment to reflect on today's practice. Did you notice any areas of discomfort in your body? Or perhaps you didn't feel any discomfort at all. That is also completely normal. We don't need to try to change the sensations in the body. Simply observing the body as it is in this moment often allows areas of tension or discomfort to begin relaxing naturally. This concludes today's training. See you in the next session.